Well done. Someone used the fucking bridge.
I have to beep it again now. Well done.
It's got to edit.
It's quiet. No one heard it. No one heard it.
Oh, that's
So-
the best closure I've had here today.
Anyway, hello and welcome to...
South Coast Level Crossing.
I wasn't looking at you, I was looking at M-trains.
Oh, sorry.
Hello and welcome to...
South Coast Level Crossing.
Yeah, there we go. And then that is how to use a level crossing. So if you take
You've had enough of me saying South Coast Level Crossing now, haven't you?
No. Well, your time is coming. I don't know. I haven't met anybody. I don't know.
And we've got
Ignore
trains,
me.
trains approaching. There's the 1336 1 Oscar 12, Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth.
It's not to in Bournemouth then.
There's
yes.
also, we may also be down for the 1339 471 Oscar Leeds FLT to Southampton MC2.
Okay, that sounds cool. Another thing.
Another freighter.
Another freighter. Yes, but as we just saw, that is the perfect way how to use a level crossing. Well done to that little woman in front. That's fantastic.
Or there could also be the Romsey to Salisbury, Romsey Rocket.
Romsey Rocket, that comes at...
It's running late.
Yeah,
it's
running
just
late.
Just arrived at St Dennis. It hasn't departed yet.
It's your phone.
Now running 6 days.
That. Yeah.
It could be a Southwestern branded.
Southwestern, what?
Southwestern branded 158.
Oh, there's loads of those.
What?
888.
158888888.
1588888.
The Southwestern branded ones are 887, 888 and 890. It depends on what units that are on the call.
One is, I saw in Cheltenham this morning, one is on hire to GWR at the moment. I didn't see which one it was.
Oh yeah, it's interesting when that happens. You know the West Coastway? It's when they had a South West trains on loan to Great Western Railway, because South Western Railway just started, so it was in stagecoach colours on loan to Great Western in Chichester.
Wow.
It looked so odd.
Very nice.
I think after this is going to go the other side. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Yes.
Have you got a cancelled closure here before?
No.
I have.
You have here?
Everybody subscribe to M-trains.
Which is cancelled closure that he hasn't uploaded yet.
Yeah, no, I've got backlog of uploads from
So do I.
last
Definitely
year.
have.
I have literally 50 videos yet to upload, rename, write the description for everything.
I like that archive video you uploaded of the person who got trapped here and they had to do an emergency raise and then put it down again.
Which one's that one?
It's a really old one that you uploaded.
No, I can't remember.
Don't you remember that?
I remember seeing the Brockenhurst emergency raise.
Really? I don't.
There was one for the ambulance.
Yeah, there was an ambulance,
Yeah.
so they had an emergency raise at
Maybe.
Brockenhurst. Although they did it up too much, the amber light came back on.
Yeah, I hate it when they do that.
Sometimes you could stop them right
Yeah,
here
halfway up and they go back down
Yeah,
again.
that's my preferred way of doing it. I get annoyed when they put it all the way up.
Well, it depends what the signal they want to do.
Oh yeah. Hey, I was right. 158888.
So we got
I called it.
You called it. So we got 15888888888888888. Come on,
Wait
Jim.
for it.
Anything else coming?
There's a freighter on a crate, so it might be just behind Stopper. And
Anyway, well, let's end this video here.
Offended me. I won't say it
Oscar
anymore.
12 just back halfway.
Sorry?
Oscar 12 back halfway.
Okay. Well, here we are. Oh, we've got headphone man.
You can cut it.
Yeah, we've got headphone man.
He didn't hear it.
No.
There you go, and the penny drops.
I think they were made a video about people with headphones.
You know that Cheltenham video?
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying recently Rail made a video of people crossing with headphones on.
Yes, it's not good. Or mobile phones. That's what happened
Yeah,
at Cheltenham.
just distractions.
Because that mate at Cheltenham, he was crossing was going, but he was on his phone, and then, oh crap, there's a barrier in the way.
He didn't really care though, did he?
You have to bleep that.
Did you say
Well-
something bad again?
What?
Did you say something bad again?
No, he did.
What did you say?
What's wrong with crap?
Yeah, nothing wrong with
It's
that.
rubbish.
It was quite funny with him though when the penny dropped.
Yeah.
That was quite funny.
Oh, the barriers are coming down. Oh poo, let's run away. Probably sounds like English in this
I was
video.
hoping
Yes.
he sort of didn't notice because you could probably get the hang on the right side.
So we got the freight train on the way. Is that it? Also, did I say I was going to go on the other side of the crossing?
Yeah, we didn't have time. By
We
the time
do-
you picked up your tripod and walked
We have
across
to
it,
put it back down again. Two two one one two seven.
Well done at handling those numbers.
1 2 3 4.
We may have another break then.
Oops, he dropped the cigarette. Anyway, and as your time was to say,
Quickly finish and start.
well, what do we say at the end of the video?
Thanks guys, we'll see you in the next video.
There we go. That's fantastic.
That's M-trains.